We're seeing almost a grand celebration as Cricket West Indies announced that 3 women have been appointed to the board of directors as the regional governing body looks to chart the way forward and blah, blah, blah. But you know, with the sad state of West Indies cricket, regardless of the gender of the board of directors, it is highly unlikely that they will be able to put anything in place that will ensure Caribbean people rediscover their passion for cricket, which would translate into more youngsters gravitating to, becoming interested in, and beginning to actually play the game of cricket. It doesn't matter if the board of directors are men, are women, are gender neutral. Unless they can get mothers and daughters and fathers and sons loving cricket again, which would increase the participation and improve the quality of the player pool, then our challenges will remain. As we say, all the best to the new board of directors, especially the women. Just want to say to you, welcome and good luck, because you're going to need it. You're going to need the good luck.